So welcome back to my another video. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a slider in your website. First thing, let me show you that how the slider looks like. Right? If you will see uh, in the website, you will see this type of slider, right? So if you will see, right, you can able to create, and I will show you that how you can create this type of slider in your website. All right. So first thing, what you have to do, simply go to your website. Simply go to your dashboard in your WordPress. All right. When you will go to your, let me close my camera first. All right. So when you will go to when you will go into your dashboard in WordPress, what you have to do, you have to click on the plugin and install the plugin. All right. And click on the add new. When you will click on the add new, just type smart slider, right? The first link you will see, right? Smart slider 3 by Next10, right? You have to install this plugin, right? So I have already installed this plugin, so that's why it's showing activated, right? Because I'm not able to install because I've already installed that. So if you have not installed, just what you have to do, click on the install button and then click on the activate, right? So when you will click on after installing this plugin, you have to go to into a smart slider. All right, in the left hand side you will see the smart slider, right? So come to your dashboard, into the smart slider, and when you will see, it shows that welcome to smart slider, right? So if you want to see the preview or promo, you can go and see that how it's work, right? So I will not go there. I will simply go to my dashboard, and then what you have to do, you have to create a new project, right? Click on the create project and start with the click on the start with the template. If you want to create a new project, you can create, but I always prefer go with the template, because you will see a lot of free template and very amazing templates, right? So these are the template you can use, any type, right? So these are the template you can see. So all right, so you can also see the full width thing, full page rate. So you can see this type of uh, templates there. And also if you want to go for the premium, you can go and use the premium version. All right, so I am using the free one. All right, so I will use this, right? You will see this get to know. So I've already shown you this type of preview. All right, so what I will do, I will simply close this thing, and I will simply import. Click on the import button. If you want to see the preview, just click on the uh, background of the template, right? When you will click on the background, you will see that preview. All right, so I will simply close this thing, and after that I will click on the import button. When I will click on the import, you will land up into the editing section. So what you have to do, click on the edit section, right? When you will click on the edit section, you have to edit your this thing, your slider. All right, so this is the thing, that is the thing it's showing. So if you want to so for example, if you want to click uh, let me, right, so just if you want to change the name or change the headline, you can simply go and change anything, right? For anything. Right, you can change anything, right? If you want to add any link into this thing, you can add here the link. All right, so if you want to give any style, or simply go and just play around with that. If you want to increase the size, go and increase the size. If you want to text with, if you want to click on the line, you will automatically go uh, middle and right hand side, right? So you can simply go and uh, just do the thing. And if you want to click typography, you will see all those things. If you want to click the hover and text, for example, if you will click on the hover, it will show like this, right? If you click on the text, it will show like this, right? So if you have the hover like this type of thing. So yeah, and you can also add some animation if you want, because animation requires a premium version. So if you're using a free one, then you're not able to use animation thing. All right, so this is the thing. And another thing, if you want to just uh, uh, for example, if you want to change this thing, uh, uh, call to action button, just simply go and whatever you want to write, you can write. Just I will download ebook. You can simply write, and you can give the link simply. Alright, you can give any style, you can go and just play around with that. Alright, I will just cancel. And another thing is that if you want to change the background, how you can able to just click on the background. Just click, when you will click on the background, you will see this type of thing, right? So what you have to do, you have to click on this thing, right? What you have to do, when you will click on the background, let me show you once again. So what you have to do, you have to click on the background image, right? When you will click on the background image, you will it automatically open this type of uh, box. All right, so simply click on this image, slide background, and this small image you are seeing, just click on this. And when you will click on this, you can upload here any file you have. Simply you can upload anything. All right, so for example, I want to upload this thing, so I will go and select this. See, it automatically change the background. Simply go and increase this, or if you want to increase this thing, simply go and just click the delete. If you want to, if you don't want to see this image text, simply go and delete this thing. All right, so you can able to do that. So right, so you can just then after that, when you will done all with editing, simply click on the save button. All right, when you, and when you will click on the save button, just go back. When you will go back, you will see you are seeing another thing. When you will go down, you will see a lot of editing option there: slide size, controls, animation, autoplay, everything you will get to know about when you will go down, right? Just go and play around with that, right? So when you will done with that, and simply save this thing, and just go back. Right, when you will go back, what you have to do, you have to come into your uh, pages, right? I will show you. You have to come into your website and then click on the Elementor, right? If you for example, I have already opened my Elementor, so I will show how I've done this thing. So I have opened my website, right? Visit the website and just click on the customize or edit with let me show you again how I've done this. uh, I simply go and log in with my dashboard, and I will click on the pages. So in which pages you want to do that, right? So for example, I want to do in the home page. So for there is front page, or we can say about us page. Let's say about us page, right? So what you have to do, simply go and edit with the Elementor, right? When you click on the Elementor, right? What you have to do, when you will click on the Elementor, the first thing you have to do, search the widget. All right, so smart slider, don't use WordPress type symbol, use this type of smart slider, right? And simply drag and drop, right? When you will drag and drop, it shows which image that you have done before. So for example, I have already using this thing, so I will click on this thing and I will insert. Right now you can able to see that. For example, then I will go and preview this thing. So I will preview the image. You will automatically get to show this type of image. All right. Uh, all right. So I think whichever I've made that it's not showing because I have not saved I have not saved those templates. So remember one thing, whatever the editing you're doing, you should always save. So I have not saved, that's why it's not showing. All right. So yes, this is the thing which I want to share. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. And please, if you like this video, please subscribe and comment below if you have any question about the website. So I will make a uh, video, another video to all of you. All right. Thank you so much.